10 commandments of safety driving, as driver would say. First, I would not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view unseen by my eyes. Third, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions or are before me. 9. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. Self-traveler. 10 commandments of road safety from Traveler 24 source. First, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Fourth, thou shalt not taken any chances. 5. Thou shalt back buckle up my kids. Okay. 6. Thou shalt not drive on thy bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. Self-clearance, 10 commandments of traffic form. First, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third, prohibited parking. Fourth, if in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve. Vic on 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders. Thank you, sir.